Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie Sylvia. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say hi. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie. I make beauty videos, fashion, vlogs, random stuff in here and there. I might include vlogs, what I do in a day, stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe. They listed right here, and do not forget to put your post notifications. As you guys can see, we're doing a mukbang. I'm like starving. I got a Pizza Hut. I'll show you guys. As you guys can see, oh yes, my favorite. It's from Pizza Hut. I got the pineapple. Yes, pineapple does belong on pizza. I got it from Pizza Hut. And I got my drink over here. Oh no, this is from Papa John's, sorry. My Papa John's. And yes, we're gonna eat. I don't know. Yeah, let me move. There we go. I think you guys can see. I got pineapple pizza. Yes, I was hungry. And I got ranch right here. So, we are starving. Let me know down below what you guys are eating. How is your Sunday going? I hope your Sunday is going good. I don't really eat jalapeno. Before we eat, I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you God for this amazing food and everything like that. So let's get started. Ooh, this looks so good. So I do hope you guys are doing good. I probably won't eat this all. I got a medium, because if I got a large, I wouldn't eat it. I already know me. Let me know down below what you guys are eating. Very good. Whenever I watch other YouTubers eating pizza or something like that, I'm always hungry. And when I see them eating like hamburgers, there's two YouTubers that I watch that do mukbangs, and I'm always watching them eating, and it's like making me hungry. And sadly, I can't, I'm not eating that or something like that. Don't worry, I'll save you guys a piece. Ooh. Here you guys go. Sorry, I was teasing you guys. Can't you guys believe that November is almost over, and in a few days, in 4 days, I think, it's going to be Thanksgiving? Wow. Let me know down below what are your guys' favorite pizza. Mine is pineapple. I do like ham on my pizza too. I love pepperoni. I love cheese. So let me know down below what is your favorite. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? I'm going to my sister's house. I know I don't work on Black Friday, so I'm probably going to buy my camera pretty soon. So that's good. Sorry, I don't like to talk when I'm eating because for me I'm just drinking my Coke. Whew. What are you guys buying for Black Friday? I think I ate 3 so far and I'm still hungry. So. Don't worry, this pizza won't go to waste. I'll probably eat some tomorrow. I'll probably eat all of this actually. This pizza is so good. I love dipping my pizza in ranch. I know some people like blue cheese, but dipping my pizza in special garlic dipping sauce. I don't want to drop it. That's what I'm dipping it in. Definitely let me know what you guys are eating. I'm curious to know because when I watch other YouTubers that do mukbangs, they're always eating Mexican food, cheeseburgers. I'm like, I really want that. So this time I got pizza. I hope you guys are enjoying this mukbang with me. I have like 8 pieces. This small one, 9, 10, and I'm still gonna eat this one. Wow. Well, I hope you guys are doing great. Let me know what are your goals for 2020, because it's almost here and December is almost right around the corner. I am almost getting full. Probably eat the rest later or tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to say, y'all better grab your snacks. You better be eating something, because this might be a long one. I think I'm going to eat one more and I'm done. I got my pizza crusted. That's my favorite. But yeah, you guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits because I'm already full. Don't worry, this pizza won't go to waste. I'm actually gonna save it tomorrow. Maybe see if my family likes this pizza, because it's pineapple, cheese, and yeah, just regular marinara sauce. So yes, you guys, that's the end of today's video. As you guys can see, I'm done. I'm probably gonna eat this last one and then just chill for the night. I do hope you guys do enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. As I mentioned, what else? Yeah, that's it. You can follow my social media down below. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this Papa John's eat with me mukbang, kind of a chit chat for you guys. So anything else, any requests, any videos you want to see, put them in the description box. Not here. Put them in the description box down below. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.